3,309 voluntary repatriation in 2019 and 250 in February 2020. This is the update on the repatriations of certain Central African refugees who have benefited for several years from Cameroonian hospitality. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's great to be here with you on this program d'abord, which could be translated in English as Day First. We are heading for a new season to focus this time on a particular category. That consisting of people weakened by the situation of conflict in their countries and who seek refuge on host lands. The following images provide an overview of their situation. As you have made understood, we are concerned about refugees' situation. To understand the question, experts will accompany us throughout this season. We shall be bringing you experts to shed light on specific aspects. We will also listen to social, state and international actors, as well as the refugees themselves. Without further ado, I leave you in the company of a Central African refugee who has lived in Cameroon for a few years already. He tells us his story.
When I arrived Cameroon, I presented myself, was received and interviewed by the UNHCR, after which I was issued a refugee card.
À la fin de l'interview, j'ai obtenu.
I am very happy with the reception I was given.
Donc confirmé comme réfugié ici au Cameroun. Donc avec cet accueil, je suis très content de cet accueil. C'est vraiment cet accueil-là que j'apprécie ici au Cameroun.
This intervention, no doubt, raised several questions. Who is a refugee? What nationality are the refugees of Cameroon? But also, in which localities are they welcome upon arrival in Cameroon? Our resource people shed some light.
Le réfugié est toute personne
A refugee is
qui a
anyone
fui son
who has
pays
fled his
pour
country
une
either
crainte fondée
from
de
persecution
persécution
or war
ou
to
parce qu'il y a eu
another
la guerre
country in
et qui
which
se
he
trouve sur le
requests
territoire
to be
d'un autre
recognized
pays
as a refugee.
où il demande à être reconnu comme réfugié. Et une fois que le
Once the government
gouvernement
or
ou les
institutions concerned
institutions
recognize
pertinentes
his
lui
status,
reconnaissent le
he
statut
is
de
considered
réfugié,
a
il est
refugee.
considéré comme réfugié dans le pays où il se trouve.
Oui, les réfugiés au Cameroun viennent d'une vingtaine
Cameroonian
de pays,
refugees come from
mais
about
je dois
20 countries,
dire essentiellement
but statistically,
qu'en termes
they are
statistiques,
essentially from the
les
Central
réfugiés sont
African
essentiellement
Republic,
centrafricains, pour près de 400 000 aujourd'hui,
with about
et
400,000,
nigériens
and
pour à peu près
Nigeria
108
with
000.
about
Voilà,
108,000
le
of
reste
them.
des réfugiés procède, comme j'ai dit,
The rest
d'une vingtaine
from
de
20
pays
countries, as I earlier
et
mentioned,
tournent
are
en
around
termes
3,000 in
d'effectifs
number.
autour de 3 000 personnes.
At the international level, we have the Geneva Convention of 1951 and the OAU Convention of 1969. And at the national level, we have Law number 2005/006 of 27 July 2005 as a status of refugees in Cameroon.
Once at the borders of Cameroon, the refugees from Nigeria are taken to the Minawao camp in the far north. In the eastern Adamawa, we have managed camps which are temporary lodging facilities for refugees awaiting integration into the host community or voluntary repatriation to their home countries.
Our country, Cameroon, is known as a host country. The refugees live in and carry out activities there among Cameroonians. The hospitalities of Cameroonians seems to be quite beneficial to them. They benefit from the supervision of national and international bodies who really cares for refugees. The answer, not right now, but in the next edition. Until then, be well. Bye-bye.